over.
I saw some brown crap fall off that.
Ew. Don't cut it, don't! You're gonna get my... Don't cut it anymore! Why not? Because... Well, because I'm not... You can't. I can't be the only one rolling these little... Yeah, you can. I'm gonna get flour all over me. Look at your shirt. Dude, just help me roll them out. Would you like me to attack the cup again? Yes! Probably what's gonna freaking happen.
Okay, now I have to watch Samantha.
There's a Mondo fatty bubble thing going on. Oh, dude, this one feels like Play-Doh. Dude, it's like an awful heart.
I don't want to know what you just said, Samantha.
Dude, that's what this stuff feels really wrong. It feels like a Play-Doh mixture thing.
You're disgusting, Samantha.
It feels like Play-Doh.
Yeah,
There, I rolled it. Dude, you see how long we were? This is like a fatty, dude. Is he really recording this? Because that's too tricky. Whoa, look at that. Heck yeah. See that? It's like a helicopter. Getting that laugh when it breaks. Okay, I did this. Oh, my hair up on my face. Okay.
Don't whip a ribbit.
No! Are you kidding me? That's why it has to be so long. It's because you have to fold it over. Oh, wow, look at this. This is going to break. Fatty right there. Never mind. You know what I was going to say, huh? Yeah. Dude, I think I just... Doesn't want to roll, little fatty. The end.
No, it goes back together.
Okay, how do you do it? Just cross them. Okay, now cross them. And roll. Dude, this thing's fucking retarded. Stretch. Oh, shit. Okay. Yeah, stop breaking! Stop recording me!
I'm not recording you, I'm recording the dough.
Oh shit.
You ripped it.
No.
Like on purpose.
It was gonna break. I feel like if it was this way, I'd be milking a cow. What's the jump rope?
Oh my god.
Don't slap me in the face.
We attach.
So, I think we should do a butter wash, because I don't have any egg wash. You want me to fold it? Yeah, I'm front of that. Here, place this thing. It's gonna break right there, too. Be careful. Dude, you already broke it, like, 1,000 times. Okay, so, can we cut that blue coat we used last night for the butter? And we'll make a butter wash. What is that? The cupboard. What cupboard? The cupboard. Dude, just need some flour. And grab the margarine and just throw a big old lump of it. We'll cover it with margarine and put salt on it. Where's the fork and the salt?
I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
You better not.
I'm gonna laugh so hard I'm going to too.
Yeah, look at the salt. I'm in it. Well, look at you. There you go. Okay.
Now it's all quiet.
Oh. Here, brush it off of my shirt. Dude, I can't get the salt open. What?
I'm in trouble.
No. Do you have a pastry brush? Are you seriously asking me? I'm asking in general.
Wow, Samantha.
Shut up. How am I supposed to do it? Back up. How am I supposed to brush it? Oh, I use a paper towel.
Yeah, you read paper towel.
Doggy ears. Here you go. I'm gonna hold on. Yes, I did. Here, so I'm like the first. Don't eat, don't. Ew, that's so dirty. Dirty. Cause that's skin in your pussy. You're gonna eat that?
No, she's on. I was gonna make you eat it.
That's gross. Hurry up, it's gonna break. Set it on the tray.
Do that so long.
Yeah. That's an ugly ass pretzel. Look!
Let me see.
It doesn't even look like a pretzel. There's too much flour on
Oh
it.
my god. Oh, it looks like a peace sign.
That's what you were doing. That's your gay pretzel. That's your gay pretzel.